Fire up your English. Understanding the phrase, fire up someone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, fire up someone. This phrase is commonly used in everyday English and can add a bit of flair to your conversations. So, let's dive in and understand what it means to fire up someone and how you can use this phrase effectively in your daily communication. The phrase, fire up someone, is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to motivate or excite someone, to make them enthusiastic or passionate about something. It's often used in situations where you want to encourage someone to be more energetic or enthusiastic. For example, a coach might fire up his team before a big game, or a leader might fire up their team before starting a challenging project. Let's look at some examples of how fire up someone can be used in sentences. The coach's speech really fired up the players before the match. Listening to motivational music fires me up to work out harder. The CEO's vision for the company's future fired up all the employees. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in different contexts to express motivation and excitement. It's important to note that fire up someone should not be confused with literally setting something on fire. It's purely metaphorical and relates to igniting enthusiasm, not a physical fire. Also, it's typically used in a positive context, though sometimes it can be used to denote causing anger or agitation in a negative way. Context matters. Use this phrase in a context where motivation or excitement is being discussed or is needed. Know your audience. Ensure the person you are speaking to understands idiomatic expressions in English. Use appropriately. It's great for informal settings or motivational speeches but may not be suitable for very formal contexts. We hope this video has fired you up to use the phrase, fire up someone, in your English conversations. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a great way to enhance your language skills and sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun English learning videos. Happy learning and see you in the next video.